I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your iPhone supports Magsafe and that battery health is reasonable. Once done, remove thick cases that block magnets and power transfer. Next, turn on the Magsafe battery pack if it has a power button, then align it to the center of the phone so the magnets snap it into place. You should feel a subtle click and see the pack's LED or iPhone charge indicator appear. That tells you charging. You need to understand how power moves. The battery pack has a transmitting coil and your iPhone has a receiving coil, and they use resonant inductive coupling to transfer energy. Because of that, magnet alignment matters. The MagSafe magnets keep coils centered so power transfer stays efficient. Once connected, the pack and iPhone communicate to set a safe charging current. If the pack or phone gets warm, they will throttle power to protect battery. You finish by monitoring the charge progress on your lock screen or control center and letting the pack top up the phone until you reach the desired level. Once done, remove the pack to avoid staying at a full state and heat buildup. Store the pack half-charged for best longevity. If charging fails, make sure alignment is exact, check for debris, restart your iPhone, and look at the pack's LED. Those steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.